Teach Miss Markets by Pearl. Today, papatikim natin ito kay Muning itong Temptation Creamy per A. Tuna and tuna and fish flavor ito guys. Good for this eyesight and high vitamin A and E. Ay, chicken and tuna pala. Creamy per A Temptations. So guys, ikakat muna natin yan para papakainin natin kay Muning yan. Okay, so let's pakainin na kay Muning. Ano yun lang natin guys, para isa swipe lang, para lumabas yung cream. Ayun guys, nagustuhan ni Muning, puro siya dila-dila.
Dila-dila.
Nasarapan si Muning guys.
More pa daw, more. Satisfied ba?
Gustong gusto yan guys ni Muning, bago first time niya lang pakainin yan guys.
First time nila makatikim.
So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you like and subscribe. Goodbye. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.